Hi, we have good news for you. Our controllers for DELI 2, DELI 3, OLI and UFO wireless switches, as well as the TEO switch, have gained a new feature, a programming button placed directly on the controller casing. Before we get into the new features, a quick reminder that all our kits come prepared and are ready to use straight out of the box. The first change is the new button on the controller housing, which significantly simplifies the programming of additional sensors and switches. Previously, connecting a new device to the system required unplugging the controller from the power supply to enter pairing mode. Now, a single short click of the button on the controller housing and a single short click on the switch is all it takes. The remote is then paired with the controller. What's more, the previous method of disconnecting the power supply is still available. The button is simply an additional option. The second new feature is the ability to restore the controller to default settings. If you want to remove all paired devices and start fresh, just hold the button on the controller housing for approximately 5 seconds. After this operation, all added sensors and devices will be permanently erased from the controller's memory. There is one more scenario I would like to mention. If you have more than one switch programmed, it is also possible to unpair just a single device. To do this, enter programming mode on the controller by pressing the button once. Then hold the pairing button on the device for approximately 3 seconds. At that point, there is no communication between the controller and that switch, while the second switch remains programmed. That covers everything new. As you can see, these are small changes, but ones that genuinely make life easier for installers. If you have any further questions, please visit our website at designlight.eu or contact our technical or sales department directly. See you in the next video. Bye.